Hello, this is Anthony George Senda, the official, the real, the authentic, the original, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh. And the official, the guy from Pittsburgh. Except no cheesy YouTube imposters, commentators, trolls, or hackers. And this is Pittsburgh Unboxing. I got this from Etsy, and the seller is in Syracuse, New York. This cost me $29.77. And it comes in colors. And one problem I've had, my Silicon M1 Mac Mini with its Hitachi dock keeps sliding off the table. And so I got this. It comes in colors. My favorite color is red. And I cannot detach the Hitachi dock and the M1 Mac Mini connected to my monitor, but it keeps sliding off the table. So what you do with this is, let's see now, which way would this have to go? Yeah. You put your, of course, they're not going to be as big as this. They're two thin ones, but you put your Mac Mini there, and you would imagine if you cut this in half, at the bottom half is the Hitachi dock, the top half is the Mac Mini Silicon M1, and this is a older work. I use this for music only, on the Dell monitor over there. And then what happens is the weight of the cables cause the Mini to start sliding off my board, and several times it slid for it. Now this won't happen anymore. I paid $29.77 for this. So this way I won't have to go move everything off the table and then lean over the desk, lean over the table, and pick everything back up. The only problem with the Mac Mini, like so many of Apple's products, their cables are only 3 feet long. I like to have 6 or 10 feet. So I could put this anywhere. Now, I do have other ones for sale on eBay and Etsy where you can take your Mac Mini and put them under your table and screw them in. Now this has screw holes to screw it to the wood. So that's what I'll do when I clear off the table sometime today. I'm going to go feed Tiny One, do laundry, and do the dishes. Talk to Kathy. She's let's put it this way, reminding me of her birthday next month over and over again. And demanding flowers. I told her flowers for women are the biggest con game that and Valentine's Day ever created, because the flowers go from the olden days when we met 49 years ago, it was $2 for a bunch of roses. Now it's 20. You give them the roses, and Kathy has a bad habit, always irritated the hell out of me. Give her the roses, get her a vase, said change your water every couple of days. I will. And then I go into her house, and the water has been changed in like 3 weeks, and it looks like a swamp. And then she has to throw the flowers have rotted and died and withered. I said, I'll just go to the cemetery and get you some weeds. That save money. And she wants you to take her to dinner. So, yeah, I've been never. And Valentine's Day, they jacked the flowers up from $9.99 to as much as $30. I've seen one. I ordered one for her birthday one year. A set of a bunch of roses or something. It was $90 to ship it to her. So, okay. Anyway, I got 1,650 points on it damn, I'm doing the wrong one here. Hold on. On Fetch for my eBay purchases, and just a minute, I'm trying to get to the Fetch, but my phone is not cooperating. And Fetch is now at, if my eyes would cooperate, they're blurring, 614 channel views, 6275 and 574 subscribers. I had 575 a minute ago. I lost a subscriber. That's weird. And I did a video on the iPad, and it did not send it to YouTube. I don't know where it sent it, but it's not here. Let me double check here. Oh, wait a minute. No, that's not it. So I'm redoing this. So this is it. Hope you're having a great day. It is windy, slightly windy, a little nippy. It is 70 degrees here. Kathy's staying at home. I'm going to go and feed Tiny One, do some laundry, go get some food, and then do more laundry. I got and clean up. I got boxes over here I got to go through. I got so much stuff to do in here. But I am better. I was very sick for one day this week. Either the creamer went bad or the mandarin orange was bad, and I'm better now. So, but I got a lot of laundry to do. Mama still has no interest in these cat houses, so when Kathy adopts Tiny One, I'm going to take one of the cat houses up to her house for Tiny One, because it's causing a problem with keeping the opening and closing of my front door. Hope you're having a great day, staying warm or dry or cool or safe. And thanks for watching. Click the like button and subscribe to the channel. I will catch you next time. Have a great Saturday and Sunday. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time. Bye-bye for now.